In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how it's possible to earn crypto just by making the market. And yes, I did say earn crypto just by getting an order filled on the exchange. So this is how you do it. Step one, you need to find an exchange that offers decent sized market making rebates. Luckily, there is one. I use Crix.io. Step two, place a limit order. Step three, get your order filled and receive your 0.05% market making rebate. That's it. It's as simple as that, but let's jump on screen and I'll show you how. Okay, so I'm here at the Crix.io platform where I'm going to show you how you can earn as a market maker. Now, if you haven't signed up, it literally takes seconds when you have your Yoti account, so go ahead and do that. And as soon as you've done that, head over here to the trade section. And when you do that, take note of the best ask and the best bid price. The difference between the two is your spread. Now, the name of the game, earning as a market maker, is to take advantage of the rebates. So whenever we place a limit order, meaning that we put an order at a certain price that we're willing to buy or sell Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin or Ethereum, etc. at, when that gets filled, we receive 0.05% as a rebate. Now, just to give you an idea of what that can add up to, let's assume that we're placing, 2 trades per hour, 24 hours a day. That means we're placing about 48 trades a day getting filled. If I'm trading with $5,000, that means I'm earning $120 a day. $25,000, that means I'm earning $600 a day. If I'm trading with $100,000, that's $2,400. And for some of you high rollers out there as well, $500,000, that's about $12K per day that you would earn in market making rebates alone. As you can see by reading all the order history here, there are orders going through all the time. Your job is to make sure that you get in and get out as many times as possible and as safely as possible so that you can recover those market making rebates. Crix also offers an array of advantages for traders. This could include seriously fast sign up through Yoti and also fully automated algorithmic trading. Plus, if you're new to trading, you can even test your trading approach using our testnet sandbox area without risking any of your own capital. Just click learn more below to get started now, and we'll see you over there.